Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Back here on EA Sports, James Cebulski along with Ray Ferraro, who's down at ice level. This should be a fun one here this evening. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
Just moments away from puck drop, both teams seem ready to go. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Team Canada's got the puck along the wall. Canada's moving it into the offensive end. Hall's got the puck. Nice pass. Quick feed to Doughty. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Sweden's got the puck along the wall, and he slides it quickly to Carlson. Hall's going to play it against the half wall. From behind the net, here's a short pass to Hall. Wrists one, stopped by the goaltender.
Quick hands, not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. And not much on that one. Team Canada's got the puck along the boards. Carries it in. Move to the middle. Shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Save made by the goalie. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Team Sweden's got it along the wall. That's intercepted. Sweden's got it now. Puts it on net. Takes it right in the chest. And we're going to get a whistle here.
Price is able to take that scoring chance and shut it right down.
Pettersson's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Good hit. Quick pass across to Klingberg. Tosses it to Dahlin. Pettersson's got it along the wing. Canada's looking to break out of their own end. Subban's gaining momentum. Slides it diagonally to Raquel. Right up the gut. Here they go. Quick pass to Raquel. Moved into the middle. Shot, and that one's turned away. Team Canada's gained possession along the boards.
The game's best goaltender over the last half dozen years. Carey Price, another great stop.
Ben's got it against the boards. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Carries it across the line. Here they are on the attack. To his teammate. Puck scooped up by Subban. Getzlaf's got it in the offensive zone. Sends the pass over. Along the half wall with the puck. Canada's got a hold of it against the wall. Moves it around along the half wall. Here he is from the slot. Gives them nothing in front. Oh, great core strength to hang on to the puck after that. Lets it go and makes the save.
Oh, we'll get back and look at that hit from just a bit ago, James. In a scoreless game, you're looking to gain the upper hand. Physical contact is one way.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Great defensive stick work on the play. Puck picked up by Burns. Burns plays it against the boards. Easily turned away with the glove. Takes the the pass from the boards. Shoots it, blocker save. Silverberg's moving it ahead. They've got the defense outnumbered. Slides the puck over. Moves it to Burns. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Hall. Uses the boards with the bank pass. Sends the pass down low. Moves it quickly over to Zibanejad. On the attack along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Ekman Larsson. Referee signaling for a penalty. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. And the puck stopper tags his man to get the extra attacker on the ice. And let's see what the definitive call is on the ice. And the official signaling for hooking on the play.
Got to move your feet here. You're chasing the play. As soon as you stop your feet, you're going to get called.
Team Canada sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, hard work earns the first power play of the game for them, and now they've got to take advantage of it. They'll start with the face-off, of course, in the offensive zone.
Gets it out of his own end. Canada's got the puck along the wall. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Takes it from the right side. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And the officials stop the play as that one goes into the bench. Crosby's won the draw. Hammers the shot. Big save by the goaltender. Tries to clear the puck. Finally, Ray.
Yeah, they do get it down the ice. I thought they held their structure pretty good. They tried to clear the puck a couple times. Couldn't get it out. Now they're exhausted. Finally, they can get a change.
Puck grabbed by Sagan. And now he angles it across to Crosby. With the stop. And manages to clear the zone. And the goalie leaves his crease to play the puck. Now a quick pass to Stamkos. Sends a pass over. Sends it over. And now he moves it quickly to Crosby. And a strong defensive effort to get in front of that. Sweden's got a chance to work the transition game now shorthanded. Solid shorthanded performance there as both teams are now back to even strength.
Well, as that penalized player comes out of the penalty box, he can give a nod down to his penalty-killing unit. They did their job. Outstanding work.
Denied by the goaltender. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And he makes the save.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Putting the hard hat on here. What a hit. Angles it over to Tavares. Picks off the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Lets it go. Easily turned away by the goaltender.
Steam's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. Tavares moves it into the attacking end. Shot comes up with the stop. Straight up the middle, here they come. Quick feed to Hedman. Flips it at the net, shuts him down. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, he'll feel that one. Slides it quickly to Hedman. Hedman's taking it from his own end. And now he moves it to Ekman Larsson. Backstrom swooping in on the attack. Here's a short pass to Hedman. Here's a blast! Nowhere for that shot to go through. And it's a quick pass to Getzlaf. With possession along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Pietrangelo with the blast. And that's wide of the net. Dishes it to Forsberg. Gets the puck back here in the neutral zone. Rocked him in the open ice. Pietrangelo's got it in the defensive end. Quick pass to Getzlaf. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Takes a couple of knocks and loses control. Moves the puck along the half wall. Ahead of steam now towards the front. With the stop. Whoa! Scores!
I don't think the goaltender gets a look at this at all, James. He just drops into the butterfly. He's hoping the thing hits him through that traffic.
Team Canada's had all sorts of opportunities here in this first period. They finally lead.
But I've liked the way that they've done this, James, because they haven't started to press. They've just continued to be aggressive, to work the forecheck, and they're finally rewarded.
Great reflexes, another save. Denies him.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Here's a chance. Lets it go. The easy glove save by Leonard. Canada's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Silverberg's got it on the offensive end. Moves it to Silverberg. Team Canada's got the puck in their own end. Into the offensive end now. Here's the pass. Ben's got the puck. Moves right to the middle. Here's a shot. Just misses.
Just misses the net, but really the scoring chance is not dangerous if you can't get the puck at the goaltender.
Looks to pass it to Burns. Shot. Oh, you'll win respect for your teammates doing that. What a block. Sends it over to Landeskog. Landeskog's going to play it against the half wall. Landeskog's got it along the wing. Moves it quickly over to Dahlin. That's a solid hit. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
The coach is encouraging them to keep taking chances with the puck. Try and make up the deficit.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. Quick feed to Carlson. Tries to get the puck to Zibanejad. Canada's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Tavares gains the zone. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Team Canada's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Team Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Raquel's got it against the boards. Slides it back to the blue line. Move to the middle. Moves the puck over to Hall. They've got numbers. Sweden's got the puck. Nylander's carrying it ahead. And now he tries to get it across to Raquel. Comes up with the stop. Here in the late goings of the period, 1-0 the score. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Handles the puck at the point. And now it's over to Carlson. Dropper save! And a solid job tying up his opponent. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's a short pass to Pietrangelo. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Pietrangelo. Way off target.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
And he passes it up ahead to Carlson. And he slides it quickly to Hedman. Handles the puck. Takes the feed at the back end. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Canada's gained possession along the boards. Takes the pass. Giroux's got it in the offensive zone. And that's broken up. Moves it over to Carlson. Along the half wall with the puck. And now he angles it across to Zibanejad. Off target. Moves the puck behind the net. There's a shot. Oh, and he just puts it wide of the net. Team Canada's got a hold of it along the wall. Lets it rip. Stops him cold. The horn sounds in the first period. Comes to an end. 1-0 is the score as both teams make their way to their respective rooms.
Fans, a portion of tonight's proceeds will fund the Children's Playroom at City Hospital.
2 more periods still to come. We'll be right back with much more action here on EA Sports. Clean sheet of ice, period 2 is set to go. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. 1 period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Team Sweden's got to sharpen up their play. They turned the puck over too many times in that first period. Probably pretty lucky to only be trailing by 1.
Takes the feed. Quick pass to Doughty. And that puck leaves the zone. And now it's grabbed by Hall. Moves it to Hall. And now he moves it to Crosby. Stamkos has the puck against the half wall. Great hit on the play. Nothing doing. Up along the wing. Moves it quickly over to Forsberg. Puts it to the front of the net. Too many bodies in the way. Quick feed to Shabbat. Now he slides it up to Giroux. Here's an odd man rush. Sweden's got it from behind the net. Moves the puck. And now he tries to get it across to Zibanejad. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
We're still in the early stages of this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Denies him with the save. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. And now it's over to Shabbat. Canada's got a hold of it against the wall. Slides it on over to Weber. Works it across to Hedman. Return pass. Ekman Larsson's got it across the line. Here's a short pass to Tavares. Moves it around along the half wall. From point blank. Stopped by the goaltender. Oh, and another big stop. Zibanejad's got it along the boards. Quick pass to Landeskog. Oh, what a beautiful glove save. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Tavares. On the attack along the boards. Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone. Bergeron's won the draw. Gets it over to Bergeron. Team Sweden's got the puck along the wall. Dishes it to Klingberg. Team Canada's grabbed a hold of the puck. Slides it over with pace to Marchand. Right in the open ice, that one's picked off. Pushes it across to Marchand. Moves it to McKinnon. Stops him with a glove. Canada's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Good job tangling up his opponent here. And the stick absolutely folds as he tries to unleash the shot. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Nice pass. Answers it with an even better save. We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Now a quick pass to Hedman. Takes the feed. That's a solid check on the play. And now he angles it across to Hedman. Receives the pass. Moves it quickly over to Doughty. Getzlaf's picking up steam. Puts it on net. Stopped by the blocker. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck.
Marchand's dangerous and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
Feeds the puck to Carlson. Laying the body. Team Canada's got the puck along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Taken along the wall by Ben. Passes over to Lindholm. Sends the pass over. Takes it across the blue line. And now he moves it quickly to Forsberg. Misses over the net. With possession along the wall. Here's a chance right in the slot. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat. Canada's got control of it now from their own end. Moves the puck along the half wall. Carlson's got the puck. And it's a quick pass to Forsberg. Takes a shot, denied by the goaltender. Team Canada's gained possession along the boards. Slides the puck over. Quick feed to Hall. And he slides it quickly to Hall. Oh, Ray, I'm sure he's going to be shaking his head over that one.
Yeah, you just don't get many of them. And when you do get a chance, you want to put it on target. He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Still lots of time left in the period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Over the line they come. Into the corner of the attacking area. Sends a pass over. And now he moves it to Landeskog. Into the corner now. Feeds it down low. Levels him against the wall. And a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. Knocked away. Steen's going to play it against the half wall. Here's a short pass to Pietrangelo. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. Quick pass to Giroux. And he slides it quickly to McKinnon. Quick feed down low. Handles the puck. There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play.
Giroux's able to use a really good angle to cut the ice off, and he lays a solid hit against the boards.
More than half the frame has been played here. 1-0 the score. Pedersen's won it. Quick pass to Raquel. Moves it to Pedersen. Takes the pass. Pass to McKinnon. McKinnon's got it along the wing. Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Moves it quickly over to McKinnon. Now a quick pass to Seguin. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Doughty. Centering pass. Oh, what a glove save!
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice.
Canada's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Crosby's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass.
I don't want to be too cautious, but when you have the lead, you better be sure about moving the puck.
And it's a quick pass to Silverberg. Puts it on net. Glove save, and an easy one at that. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Great glove save! And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Passes on over to Crosby. Quick feed to Stamkos. Taken by Burns. Coughs it up in the neutral zone. Picks off the pass. Stamkos looks around. Puck scooped up by Dahlin. Feeds the puck over to Eriksson. And now he tries to get it across to Forsberg. It's a 2-on-1. Here's a shot. Big time glove save. Past the midway mark of the frame, 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Carlson's got it into offensive territory. Takes a wrist shot, big save.
Yeah, it's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Trying to get the puck away from the Inferno here. Picked up along the boards by Ben. Leonard stick handling in his own zone. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes a hit, but still hangs on to the puck. Here's a short pass to Marchand. Rips it from the blue line, and too much traffic in front blocks that one. Takes a shot and makes the save. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Feeds it to Giroux. Here they are on the attack. Quick pass to Subban. And that one's stopped. Here in the late goings of the period, we got a 1-0 game to this point. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Came up with a big stop on that last opportunity. McDavid's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Big-time stop there. Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Team Canada's got possession at center. Here they come on the attack. Subban's got it in the corner. Moves it to Subban. Slides the puck down low. McDavid's going to play the puck behind the cage. Stopped by the goaltender. Tries to feed it over to Nylander. That's broken up in the neutral zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. He's got a step. Oh, what a save.
That gives a shot of adrenaline to his team, turning aside the breakaway.
Another stop by the goaltender.
That's why a goalie can never relax. He makes one stop, now he's got to be sharp to make another. I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
McKinnon's won it in their own end. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Sagan's got it against the boards. Unleashes a cannon, just wide. Doughty's playing it along the line. Oh, you can't miss that.
Now, somehow I got 408, James. You don't get any if you don't hit the net. Get it on target, man.
Here it is, point shot. Brilliant save, read it perfectly. Feeds the puck to Doughty. Carries it in. Great poke check on the reach. Centering pass. Wrist one in front. Turns it away. Moves it around along the half wall. On the attack along the boards. Quick feed down low. Canada's looking to break out of their own end. Nice pass. Chabot's got it in the offensive zone. Here's a shot. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and buries it.
Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there, and he puts it away.
Team Canada's goal here late in the second has to take a ton of wind out of the sails from their opposition here.
I don't see how it couldn't. You're only one down, you feel pretty good about yourself. Now you're down two. It's a pretty tough spot to be.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Moves it quickly over to Hall. Great pass from off the right side. They've got the defense outnumbered. Snaps it onto the net. Stick save.
Ericsson's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Canada's generated a lot of quality scoring chances, which is why they lead here late in the second. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. Rips it, makes the save, and putting out the fire in front. Team Canada's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Crosby's won the draw. On the one-timer. Oh, what a stop. Takes the feed. Carries it across the line. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And that'll do it for period number 2. They'll take a 2-0 lead into the third period.
If you want to show us your accuracy, register now for our Shoot to Win contest, where one lucky fan will shoot a puck from...
And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. Here we go. Put up or shut up for both teams here in this third period. We are underway. Ray Ferraro is between the benches at ice level. Ray, we've got 40 minutes played so far. How have you viewed things?
Team Sweden's going to have to work not to get frustrated here. They've had by far the best chances. The other goaltender, though, has been brilliant tonight.
Carlson swooping in on the attack from point-blank range, and that shot gets caught in traffic. Quick feed to Doughty. And he slides it quickly to Crosby. Right in the slot. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Landeskog. Puck picked up by Doughty. That's blocked. Puck sent over to Steen. Here's a chance. Steen's got it to the side. Oh, and down. And there it is. But wait a second. They're waving this one off.
I don't think this should count either, James. The play is waved off immediately. The goaltender didn't like this immediately. It went past him. He looked right at the official.
Well, they obviously didn't like the call, but not a lot of time to dwell on it as we are ready to get play back underway. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Slides the puck ahead to Shabbat. Shabbat's got it in the offensive end. With the blast! And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Look out, a 2-on-1. Sends it across. Receives the pass. And now it's over to Nylander. Takes the feed at the point. Quick shot, big time stop. James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. Team Sweden still down by 2 goals in this one. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Snaps one on net, stones him in front. Canada's outplayed the opposition tonight, particularly offensively, as they lead it early in this third period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Leonard's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Well, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
Team Canada's done a wonderful job putting a lot of pucks on net, and they lead it early in this third period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Quick pass to Ben. Big play inside the defensive zone. Eriksson's carrying it ahead. Right in front of the net. Here's a shot. Denies him in front. Canada's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Into the offensive zone. With possession along the wall. Back at the point, they set it up. And that goes off a player. Moves it to Subban. Slides the puck over to Bergeron. And he slides it quickly to Pietrangelo. Jostles the puck loose. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Sweden's got the puck here in the open ice. Moves it quickly over to Carlson. With some momentum driving towards the net. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Seguin. Sends it over to Forsberg. Sends the pass over. Team Canada's gained possession. Puck grab by Carlson. Moves the puck along the half wall. Scooped up along the wall by Weber. Sagan's got it across the line. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
No need to be risky with the puck when your team's winning the game.
Subban's got the puck. Rips it on net. Blocked in front. Team Sweden's got the puck along the wall. Quick feed to Zibanejad. Along the half wall with the puck. Slides the puck over. Tavares has it along the boards. They've got numbers. Slides it across. Slides the pass over to Steen. Takes it across the blue line. And now he angles it across to Hedman. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Strong use of the body. Here's a short pass to Giroux. Sends a pass over. Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Raquel's going to play it against the half wall. Now a quick pass to Hedman. Handles the puck. Denies him on the play. Price opts to hang on to it to get a whistle.
You start to wear down a little bit. You need your goalie to help you out. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. 2-0 is where we sit. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Moves the puck to Hall. Hall's got it along the wing. Takes a blast off the crossbar. My goodness, what a shot. Quick pass to Doughty. Team Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Passes it to Raquel. Raquel's got it against the boards. Right to the middle. Here he is, wristed on net. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. Stopped by the goaltender. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Oh, he's locked right in. A couple of stops in a row there.
Moves it around along the half wall. And that's broken up. Stopped by the goaltender. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Shoots it. Oh, just wide.
Right in his wheelhouse. He powders it, but just misses.
Burns brings it in. And now he moves it to Hall. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat. On the attack along the boards. With authority. That was a great shot, but an even better save. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Oh, man, he got hit again.
Man, he must feel like a piñata out there. He's been on his backside a half a dozen or more times tonight.
Move to the middle. Moves it to Forsberg. Knocked away. Passes it over to Lindholm. And now he passes up to Forsberg. Over the line they come. Takes the pass. Here's a shot. Glove save, and he handles it with ease.
This was so close. A little bit earlier, he gets in here for a shot and zips it over the goaltender, but he hits the crossbar. Goalie gets lucky. It stays out.
Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Weber's lugging the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Ben. Sweden's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Loose puck battle along the boards. And a good use of the body to knock the puck loose. Quick pass across to Bergeron. Centering pass. Quick shot. Gives them nothing in front.
Oh, he snaps the glove save off there. Excellent chance in the slot.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. And it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. And now he tries to get it across to Landeskog. Canada's got the puck in their own end. Here they come on the attack. Team Canada's got it now. Puts it up front. Blocked in traffic. Moves it quickly over to Ben. Moves the puck down low. Great positioning in the defensive end. Canada's got possession here in the offensive zone. He scores! On the rebound, lights the lamp for the goal.
Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Team Canada's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
And we've got a 2-on-1 to his teammate. On the deflection. Stopped by the goaltender.
13 minutes, 53 seconds.
Canada's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. And it's a quick pass to Steen. And he slides it quickly to Hedman. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Quick feed to Zibanejad. Here's a pass down low. And that's stopped by the goaltender. Great save to stay with it. Petrangelo's got it into offensive territory. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Slides it across to Zibanejad. Zibanejad's got it in the offensive zone. Grabbed along the boards by Nylander. Here's a shot, and there's the save. Keeps a hold of the puck after that knock. Puts it on net. There's another stop.
If you're going to leave a rebound, it might as well be 30 feet away from the net. That's a really good stop because the puck's out of danger.
And he comes up with it. McKinnon's got the puck in his own zone. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Quick feed to Nylander. Takes the feed. Slides the puck to McKinnon. Carries it in. Takes a shot. Denied by the blocker. Team Sweden's gained possession along the boards. No, sir. And another stop.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside. He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Team Canada's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Crosby's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Great read by the keeper to poke it away. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Stamkos. Stamkos plays it against the boards. Looks to make a play over to Silverberg. And now it's over to Eriksson. With possession along the wall. Stays with it. Slides the puck down low. Moves the puck along the half wall. Slides it diagonally to Hall. Denies him!
Price plays that like a boss. In great shape to make the stop. Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
Charging is the call, and I don't think anybody's going to argue this one.
That's a frustrated player that had that bubbling up inside him. He sees a chance to make a big hit. He makes it, but it's too much.
Sweden sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
They've worked on the power play a lot in practice over the last couple of days. This is their first one tonight, and they'll want to execute what they've worked on, which is to win the draw and start moving the puck.
Here's a blast! Comes up with the stop! Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Weber's got the puck. And as we hit the final minute of this one, that has been a one-sided affair. Great read to break up the play.
A risky play is not the right play now.
Pass back to the point. Moves the puck. Blocked in traffic. Grabs the puck here at the blue line. Moves the puck up to Forsberg. Carries it across the line. Shot! Makes the save. Canada's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Team Canada's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. trying to clear the zone. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line and out of harm's way. Moves it over to Steen. Steen swooping in on the attack. On the doorstep, and that's broken up with a stick in front. Puts it on net, and that one's turned away. Canada's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. No room for that one to get through. Gets it out of his own end. Slides the puck across to Backstrom. The final horn sounds. Paul Maurice once said to me many years ago, show me a good coach, I'll show you a good goalie. There's a good one tonight.
Yeah, the team looks good, and the goalie was great. The win that comes on the heels of a solid defensive performance, but when your goalie throws an egg up, it makes everybody look good.
And that'll do it. For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thank you.
Yo, 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 yo.